Hello friends, today we will know about Greenland, the land of ice and snow. But before we start the topic, please like, share and subscribe our channel St. Xavier's School, Hardoi. Now come to the topic. Greenland is the world's largest island located between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean, east of the Canadian Arctic archipelago. It has an Arctic climate and the temperature does not exceed 10 degrees Celsius. It is the part of North America, but still it is said to be the part of Europe. 85% of the country is covered with ice and snow. Here one word you have noticed, archipelago. What is archipelago? Archipelago is the group of islands. India has also two archipelagos, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. Come to political aspects. It is an autonomous territory within the Kingdom of Denmark. It is physiographically a part of North America, but politically and culturally it is associated with Europe. It has a developed government within a parliamentary monarchy. How many parliamentary seats are here? It has 31 seats. And monarch is the ceremonial head of the country, whereas the powers rest in Prime Minister. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk, and Nuuk is the largest city of Greenland. The official language spoken here is Greenlandic. Beside this, Danish and English is also spoken. The currency of Greenland is Danish krone. Now people and transportation. Here we talk about the people. For over a millennium, the inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits or Eskimos. They live in the houses made of snow and wear the clothes made of animals' skin. Their main occupation is hunting, and the special kind of cart that they use for transportation, that is sledge. Sledge is the cart pulled by the special kinds of dogs found there. They are called reindeers. That means the carts pulled by the reindeers are called sledges. Evangelical Lutheran is their religion, and Evangelical Lutheran is also a church in America. So their religion is Christian. Now their main occupation is export of fishing and precious stones and hunting. They use special boats named kayak for hunting. The main transportation used here is helicopters, boats and sledges, which are pulled by dogs called reindeers. Previously I also told you about the sledges. But still, as the world is developing, what happened? Now their life is also being changed. Nowadays they have started using rifles for hunting, motorboats for fishing. Most of them live in towns with modern facilities like shops, schools, hospitals, clubs, etc. Mining and drilling in these areas have brought them in contact with the modern world due to their contact with Europe and North America. Now, flora and fauna. Flora, as flora refers is to the vegetation of a certain place. So the plants found here are mosses, low-lying shrubs like dwarf willows, crowberries, poppy. Beside this, they also use horticulture, or with the help of horticulture they use to grow vegetables. Now, the wildlife fauna. Fauna means the wildlife present here. The animals found here are polar bear, humpback whales, musk ox, white Arctic wolf, walruses, reindeers, and sea eagles. It's time for activity. Now you have to answer few questions. Number 1, what do you mean by archipelago? Number 2, name 2 plants found in Greenland. Number 3, name the capital of Greenland. Number 4, name the special kind of boats used for hunting. Number 5, what is a sledge?